Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to change astrological sign in Snapchat. To start, open and locate your Snapchat application in your mobile device. Once you are here, tap on your profile on the upper left. Once you are here, you will now be on your profile. You will see your astrological sign over here. Now to edit this one, all you have to do is tap on it. Now click on Continue. In here, click on Birthday. You will need to change your birthday for you to be able to change your astrological sign. In here, you will now be able to change your birthday. But here is a reminder, you can only change it for a limited number of times. So be careful whenever you want to change it. Once done, confirm it and click on Continue. Now wait for the application to finish loading. In here, everything should all be good. Once you go back, you will now see from Libra, it is now Pisces or Pisces. How do you say that? Pisces or Pisces? Let us know in the comment section. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.